Okay, this is us driving on the road from Newtown to Partial, and this is, it used to be 2 lanes, so they're widening it to 4 lanes. Sorry about the jumping around. Anyway, the reason that, the material that they're widening this with, in these 18-wheelers that's in front of us, is coming from the pit where KW's loading the trucks to bring it to the dump on the sides to widen this thing. So anyway, I thought that this might be something neat to show you, even though this is like a long 13-mile drive.
Yes, it is.
Let's see, kind of give you an idea of what it's like up here. And then, hold on, since we're gonna go slow down this hill, I want to show you this lake over here. This is Lake Sakakawea. It's a reservoir, like Lake Mead and Lake Powell. It's the third.
No, this goes into the Missouri.
Yeah, but they said, I looked it up online, and it said it was the 3rd largest man-made, like Lake Mead and Lake Powell.
Right, they flooded it off.
Yeah. Oh, and then this is my favorite part on this drive, is this bridge right here.
Trestle.
Yeah, where it's a railroad, where the railroad goes under.
On top of it.
Look how pretty that is. Look, babe.
Yeah, I see.
And then you get to kind of see here again. This is the not fun part. This road. And then imagine it all icy and everything in the wintertime. When we get up over this hill, there's nothing good, I'll stop the video. And then that right there is Fisher's Pit, where we were staying. On the other side of that is Marion's property. No? No, I'm wrong, sorry. It's not, I'm lying. Scratch that, erase.
It's about 8 miles down this road.
Oh. Okay.
That's a concrete batch plant. This is a concrete batch plant.
Sorry about all the bouncing. I don't think it would be any better if I set the...
No, it's just rough.
Up here, I think you can see coming up, they got all the hay bales. Look at all of it. This is the thing where you can see all the traffic. It's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah. Dad's
I want to see this because then you can kind of see too all the.
That they're putting
Well,
the
look,
bridge.
there's another.
Railroad trestle. They're gonna put in a big bridge.
Oh, I was gonna say.
And it's
Sorry about all the jumping around. Hold on. You want to say hi, babe?
Hi, babe.
No. Hi, babe. Hi, mom and dad.
Oh.
Hi, and,
Hi.
and everybody.
And everybody.
What are they doing right here?
They took the whole bridge out. Now they're going to put a 4-lane bridge in.
Oh,
Watch.
yeah.
Look down in the hole.
David will love to see that thing right there. Crane.
Yep. That's a Manitowoc right here. It's a 4-lane bridge they just put in.
So how many miles is this? I mean, of course they're widening all these roads, but this is just one road that we're on. That was a 2-lane highway that they're widening to 4 because of all the traffic. This is just one stretch of 13 miles that we had to go to town to get some fuel. But they've got how many up here that they're widening? A lot.
Oh yeah, it goes all the way to 83.
Here's one of the man camps. That's up there.
Look at this, the traffic.
I know. This thing just really people
See all
get
the
an
concrete.
idea. I know it's in there. And the lake, we're still alongside of it. It's just out there further.
Yeah.
It's just further away from us. I'm gonna film that thing.
See these fill up with oil, and the 18-wheelers come and put it in their tanker trucks, the 18-wheelers, and haul it to the train that you just seen.
Right.
This is one of the most popular places to meet important people and get business, you know, jobs, everything.
They used to do tours out of here, the people that I met on the airplane. It's called Scenic 23.
Restaurant bar.
Because you can't really see, but hold on, I'll show you how the reason it's called the Scenic. What are those things?
The lake
No,
concrete.
these things?
Yeah, to finish concrete as they pour it.
Cute.
Not me.
Oh, I know. Just whatever. Blah. Somebody else is getting rich again. still going to be windy. So over here on the right, we have, hope the wind doesn't blow the, you can see that 18-wheeler getting the oil out of that drum.
Oh, their tank.
Tank.
He's going to haul it to the train. Tell them there's no other way to get the oil out of here because they don't have a pipeline to pump it anywhere.
Right. I thought I'll just film this back because we're going back to the pit, right?
Who that is. Hello.
Hold on, we're going to pause this.
Yes, sir.